Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming exactly which account and contact point you'll recover. Have the email or phone number and 12FA option ready. This speeds the flow. Once done, locate any backup codes or recovery keys in a password manager or printed file. Make sure your device is secure and on a trusted network before proceeding. This prevents interception. Start the provider's recovery form, enter the account identifier, and follow prompts to verify your identity now. You'll now complete the deeper verification, respond to SMS codes, accept authenticator prompts, or perform biometric checks. If asked, upload high-quality scans of ID, make edges visible, and use neutral lighting. Once uploaded, fill any supplemental forms with exact spellings and dates. Mismatches slow approval. Keep copies of submission confirmations, reference numbers, and timestamps. If you have prior account activity details, provide recent login locations or device name. You finish by setting a new, strong password and immediately re-enabling 2FA. Use an authenticator app rather than SMS when possible. Then update backup email and phone entries, generate fresh backup codes, and store them securely. Once restored, review account activity and revoke unknown sessions or app access. If the provider denies recovery, file an appeal. Attach the confirmation ID, clear ID scans, and a brief timeline of steps you took. One key troubleshooting tip: if uploads fail, switch browsers, clear cache, or try a different device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.